Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, overall ideas latest and trendy. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle, messy hairstyles, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike, with undercut, and different ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And different collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas, layered, deep layered, and some ideas step, and beautiful collection of undercut ideas. Overall collection, overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.